Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix Snipping Tool not showing in Windows 11. Go to Settings from the Start menu. There, you will go to Apps and then to Installed Apps. Locate the Snipping Tool. When you do so, click on the three dots and choose Advanced Options. At the bottom, click on the Repair button. Wait for the application to be repaired. After that, click on Reset again, and wait for this process to finish. After this, access the command prompt as administrator. Click on Yes to authorize. There, scan the file system using the command sfc/scanno, press Enter. You will see in real time the scanning percentage. When finished, check the result of the scan. To complete the solution, reboot the operating system. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.